What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna have a look-see at Solana. Currently seeing at 153. We're up about 4.79 on the day. Seeing market cap 70.97 billion. 24-hour volume 2.1 billion. So if we look at the chart, we are starting to push up here. So if we can break this bullish level, this massive level of resistance, as you can see, we have one touch, two touch, basically three. We broke a little bit above it, 4 or 5. If we can break that level, that's more confirmation, and then push up to the wave 3 target, which is at 164.58. Pull back in a wave 4, probably retest this resistance as support before continuation up in the wave 5. Complete that 5-wave move, then that's confirmation your low is in, but we do have a beautiful double bottom. As you can see here, on the daily chart, we had a double bottom right here. We broke back up, but we're still going through the correction. And now we have a double bottom once more. We're just testing that neckline. So if we can break that neckline, that could be a nice breakout. That could take you right up to about 192 for the price of SOL. And we're getting back above those daily EMAs, which is a good sign. So that's what I'm looking at for Solana. If you want completely free access to my trading group, which includes my daily crypto analysis and my signals, all you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN. Make your first deposit, send me an email, I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, as well as Forex signals. All links are down below. Go check it out. If you don't want to go the BITUNIX route, it's $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon link. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.